Ever catch your dog obsessively licking their paws and wonder what's going on? It might look quirky, but there's a method to the madness. Sometimes it's just routine grooming, but often it could be a sign of allergies, anxiety, or even an injury. In the wild, licking keeps their paws clean, but if you notice it happening too often, it might be your pup trying to tell you something. So next time your furry friend gives their paws extra attention, take a closer look. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and follow for more essential pet care